Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I know I look a little bit crazy right now just because I have my eyebrows already done. I just wanted to get them on for this video. So today we're going to be trying this new foundation. I'm going to be trying the new Anastasia Impeccable foundation. I have the shade 1CR. So if you're not already, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. That would help my channel out a lot if you would subscribe and like today's video. So now let's get into the foundation. So I actually wanted to do my skin prep in this video as well. So I'm first going to start with the liquid exfoliant. This is the Paula's Choice AHA liquid exfoliant. This is one of my favorites. I absolutely love this liquid exfoliant. I'm going to use my reusable cotton round to apply it. Next, I'm going to go into a toner. I've just been starting to use this toner from ITK. I've never used it before. This is the ITK Hydrating Milky Toner. Definitely gives a lot of hydration to the skin. It's my new go-to toner for a skin prep. Alright, we have that on. Now I'm going to go into eye cream. I'm going to use another product from ITK. I'm going to use the Day Plus Night Eye Cream Duo. And I'm going to use the daytime side. I'm feeling a little bit dry, of course, in these winter months. So I'm going to use a little bit more of a thicker moisturizer. Well, this isn't really a thick moisturizer, but I really like to use this one when I'm a little dry. This is the Jafra Royal Clear Smart Clear Pore Hydrator. Okay, well, I'm going to let that soak in. I'm going to apply my lip balm really quick. So I just ordered a new tube of the Ravie Beauty Lip Renewal Treatment Oil. I actually ordered 2 of them, so I can just put one in with my skin prep stuff and one in my purse, because I love this lip oil. It is probably the only one I use to prep my lips now, and when my lips are feeling dry. This is the only one I use now. It's my favorite. Sunscreen, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite sunscreens. This is Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid. I have been really into this sunscreen. It's really good. Okay, I just want to prep my eyes just a little bit before we get into the foundation, just so that when I do the rest of my makeup after the foundation, the eyes are nice and primed. So sometimes I like to take a face primer. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. Go right into the foundation. I was going to use my go-to foundation brush, but I need to clean it, so I'm not going to use it. I normally use the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty, the N17. But since that's a little dirty, I'm actually going to go in with the Anastasia Beauty, another really great foundation brush. This is the all over face brush. First applying it to one side, and we can see the difference between having the foundation on, and we can see the before and after. So I did about 2 pumps. I only swatched it on the back of my hand when I opened it from the package, and I didn't really see if it would match. And this definitely does match me very nicely. Wow, I love it. This is a matte foundation, isn't it? Yeah. I don't have one right now because I got rid of all of my Jafra makeup because I don't wear Jafra makeup anymore. And I had a foundation from that brand. Since I got rid of it, I don't have a matte foundation, and I wanted to replace it, and I found this one, and it is so nice. That's just with 2 pumps. Wow. Okay, so this is the before, this is after. I am so impressed. It looks like my skin, but just wow. Okay, now we just have to see how it wears. I'm not going to do a wear test in this video. I'm going to leave a little note down below on how this foundation wore throughout the day. I haven't really, like I said, I haven't really worn this all day yet, but after this initial application, this foundation has become my favorite. I'm gonna just go with what's ever left on my lids just a little bit. Piece of hair on my nose. Oh, right here. Okay, now we can see what makeup look with other makeup products looks on top of it, and we're going to set the foundation as well. So I'm gonna just do a quick makeup look off camera, and then I will be right back with the final results on this foundation. Okay, I finished a full face of makeup, and it looks really good on top. The other makeup looks great on top of this foundation. I love it. Now let's talk about how I like this foundation. Okay, this is probably my favorite matte foundation that I've tried. This is really the only, well, no, there's a couple that I tried actually, never mind. It's, like I said, my new favorite matte foundation. It's amazing. So I actually did forget to set the foundation and the rest of the makeup, so I'm going to do that now, but actually I wanted to use this one. I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Soft Blur Setting Spray. Alright, so that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!